Alright guys, so we're going to install Sprint Booster on this Mazda CX-3 over here. As you guys know, Sprint Booster is the original throttle controller on the market, which was introduced at SEMA and won the best new product. So you know you're getting the good stuff. All you need for the install is a 10mm socket and ratchet and a flathead screwdriver. So let's go and get this thing installed. So the first step is you take your key fob, put it 10 feet away from your car just so your CAN bus system can reset, and then you leave your car door open for 10 minutes, and then you're good to go to start the install. Next step is to locate your throttle pedal assembly. You'll notice there's two clips to the left of the throttle pedal. Make sure you take your flathead screwdriver to remove the covers, which will expose two 10mm bolts. Remove these 10mm bolts to free up your throttle pedal. So with the throttle pedal assembly removed, you now can see the clip and the harness to your throttle pedal. Simply unplug that and then plug the Sprint Booster in line. Plug the controller into your Sprint Booster and then route that up to your dash. Put everything back together the way you took it apart, and then you're all done. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster episode. If you want to pick up your own Sprint Booster, head over to sprintboosterusa.com. Check out our wide list of applications there and see if we have a Sprint Booster for your machine. Thanks guys, have a good one.